Hey guys, it's your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm introducing you to this digital product called Charm. So Charm is basically a step-by-step tutorial on how they are making up to $100 a day plus more. And they are going to show you where they're getting this information from, how they're doing it, and where do you go to set all of it up. You are using Shopify and you are using Instagram to make up to $100 a day. Enough money to quit your 9-to-5 job. I know nobody likes a 9-to-5 job. So if you are ready to make this money online, to start having that life that you always wanted, stay tuned to the end of the video so I can be showing you how Charm actually works in the inside. And if you stay to the very end, I will be showing you my super duper insane bonuses at a value over $1,000, which can scale Charm up to 10 times max. So you'll be making 10 times as much money that they are offering you. So if you're interested in making money using Shopify and Instagram, and you want to see how it works, stay tuned to the end of the video so you won't miss a thing. So let's get into it. On the sales page, they are basically telling you that they are using Quora instead of Instagram, but in the tutorial, they're going to show you that they are using Instagram. So I believe they are using both Instagram and Quora to be getting these traffics to their Instagram page. So right here it says, get you free traffic in 26 seconds. This is a one-click autopilot viral traffic. Early users seeing insane results. Attain financial peace of mind. So this is no tech skill needed or no extra cost. You can quit your job and travel and be free. And then it says get results or get paid $500. And this is backed by a 365-day money back guarantee. So that is super duper dope. And it's only at a limited time offer at $17. I didn't see no extra sales, so yeah, it's just at $17. So right here, it's basically saying there's only 2 steps in which you can start making up to $100 a day. So right here it says step 1, activate, enter your website or affiliate link you want. Traffic sent to you. And then step 2, witness free autopilot viral traffic pouring in 26 seconds, guys. So they are saying you only need 2 steps to make this money online. So when it comes down to learning traffic, getting traffic, scaling traffic, your life will change basically, because it's all about traffic. If you don't got nobody going to your website or going to your deals or going to your promotions, you're not going to make no sales because you don't know traffic. So right here, I promise you that you get traffic. So right here it says it really works. Get you free traffic, test it thoroughly, and it's just one simple click to automate 100%. And this is all proven method, guys. It's already scaled. This is already scaled right here. And then they have commissions. We got proof when it comes down to this. So it says they are using Quora on the sales page, so they are promoting Quora more than they are promoting the Instagram. So right here, so you won't have to do nothing manually. It's not complicated and it's not hard. And they're basically talking about Quora and the website, and they have over 300 million visitors a month, 10 million visitors a day, and so forth and so on, guys. So with this, you don't have to be on camera. You don't need to upload no images. You don't need to set up any type of funnels. If you have no previous experience, it's okay because it's 100% beginner friendly. You do not have to pay for advertising and no waiting months for results, because that is super duper whack. So guys, that is all I'm about to go through when it comes down to the sales page. I'm about to head over to my bonus page, my super duper special bonus page, guys. So this is what we all been waiting for. If you wasn't waiting for this, I was waiting for it. So this page comes down at 11:59, October 19, Tuesday. So right here, this is basically my sales page, well, my bonus page when it comes down to Charm. And it's giving you a little bit more insight of Charm and a little bit more detail. So right here it says make up to $691 a week. That's what I was talking about. Make up to $100 a day, so around $690, almost $700 a week, by piggybacking on the success of others, using software that does 90% of the work. Traffic built in, no experience is needed, and this method is unexploited. So it's not a lot of people that knows about this. This is like literally a underground method in which it could make you up to $700 a week, and you can literally quit your job. So it used the latest traffic getting technology, leverage 100 million visitors on Quora, then dozens of automated profit getting features. And what is it in for you? So with $700+ million worth of digital products sold, we know a thing or two about converting your traffic into cold hard cash. You can see for the month of January 2021, they drove over $400,000 affiliate in sales. And this is a total unique and fresh product which will practically sell itself. So this is super duper dope. And the front end price of Charm is at $17. You have the upsell at $39. That is the limited edition, so you get more help, more insight on how to use Charm, and just a better experience when it comes down to you getting the limited edition. But the limited edition is at $39. So if you don't have that much money, you could get the front end at $17. When you start making that money, you could just upgrade to the unlimited edition. So you don't have to rush into the limited, you could just wait. And then you have the upsell number 2, Charm Done For You edition. Then you have the Charm Automatic edition. Then you have the Charm Done For You Template Club. And then the upsell number 5 is Charm 50 times Click and Go campaigns. Here are some extra key benefits you may be interested in getting when it comes down to you purchasing your own personal charm to start making up to $100 online. So it says no actual work. You make other people do all the work for you. New unique software and training, 100% newbie friendly, yet equally powered for advanced marketers. So if you are advanced and you're not a newbie, this is perfect for you too, because you already know what you're doing. And then you got the proven profitable over and over, works in any niche, works right now, and our traffic is built in. So that is so dope. A lot of people don't have traffic built in. And this is the demo video, and it's going to show you how Charm actually works. So I'm about to hand the floor over to the creator so he can explain more of Charm.
Hey guys, Tom Lee here, and I'm going to quickly give you this method in a nutshell so that before you get started, you know exactly what this method is about. This stuff is really simple. What you're going to do is, you're going to find successful hot selling Shopify products. Okay? Now Shopify is an e-commerce store. We're going to train you on how to find really good selling products here. Don't worry, this is newbie friendly. You don't have to know anything. Alright? We do that inside the training. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the software to find Instagram. ID stands for Instagram influencers. This is a software, so let's say that the product that you found that is popular, that is selling, has something to do with cats. So you just enter cats in here, and then all the influencers show up underneath here. And we use all kinds of parameters to strain out the bad ones and to only give you the good ones. Then, in the next step, when you have found them, you are going to contact them. And you're going to ask for shout-outs in exchange for a small fee. What does that mean? That means that, let's say that you're selling a cat toy, you know, and you find a cat influencer. Then we train you on how to contact them, what to say hey, could you do a shout-out? Jay has been doing this for almost a year, very successfully. Most of the time, he pays $5 to $10. And then what happens is the influencer, that's step number 4, which you don't even have to do. The Instagram influencer promotes you and you make money. Jay and a ton of other unknown marketers have done this over and over and over again. You know, sometimes you make $600 a day. There's people who have made up to $50,000 in a day. I don't want you to expect that, you know, but we want to keep things realistic. So let's set our sights at $100 a day. That's how it works. That's how simple it is, right? One thing I want to mention here is this software that you're looking at right now. This is not the basic version, okay? So when you open your software, if you got the basic version, you won't see all this, okay? So I don't want you to get confused, because this is a premium version where you can actually contact and do everything within the software. You don't have to go outside your browser, and you can search up to 200 maximum influencers versus the 20 in the basic version. Don't get me wrong, the basic version is wonderful, it's powerful, and you can use that. If you can't afford the pro version, you know, you could always use the basic version, make some money, and then upgrade. Or if you're happy going at the speed that the basic version goes, then totally fine. So once again, 1. Find successful hot selling Shopify products. 2. Use our software to find the Instagram influencers. 3. Contact those influencers and ask for shout-outs in exchange for a small fee that you pay them. 4. Make money. That is really simple, and you know, it's easy too, because you're going to go through all this training, but I wanted you to have this knowledge before you go into the training so that you know what this is about.
Okay guys, that is it for that short video. We're about to head over to my super duper insane bonuses. We're already on my bonus page, but I gotta scroll down a little bit. So if you are interested in getting Charm, you can totally press any of these green buttons on my bonus page and receive your copy of Charm. For the front end price, you get all of my bonuses for free. And these are my bonuses. So we are at bonus number 1, value at over $400. So this is Instagram marketing made simple and profitable. So consistently generate sales with this email marketing tactic, guys. So when it comes down to Charm, scaling Charm to its max, guys. You want to make that money online, you want to quit your job, you're going to need this bonus. And don't forget, my bonuses are completely free. And then we have bonus number 2. This is how to get unique content on your page without writing a word. So get instant content for free, guys, when it comes down to you scaling your Charm. And then we have bonus number 3, Fuego Breakout. So this is Fuego Breakout. It's gonna help you get more traffic on top of the traffic that Charm is offering to you to scale your Charm to 10 times max, guys. It's all about traffic. You need traffic. And then we got bonus number 4. This is how to make $100 a day on your smartphone. So if you would like to make an extra $100 a day, you totally can by just using your phone. It works with iOS and it works with Android. So you are in the game if you got either one of those. And then this is bonus number 5, special vendor bonuses. So take action now, guys. If you are interested in Charm, making money online, or you just want to test it out, take action now so you won't miss out on my bonuses, because my page is only at a limited time offer. Even though it's up for 8 days and 8 hours, those 8 days will go by really fast. So if you are on my video, I suggest that you click the green buttons to get your access to Charm to start making money online. It's better now than never, so why not? But when it comes down to you getting my bonuses, when you could go to Warrior Plus, and when it comes down to getting it, you go to purchase history, and then you say, well, it brings you to this page and it says access affiliate bonuses. That's how you're going to get my bonuses, guys. So don't forget, all of my bonuses are completely free with this front end price of $17, guys. You don't have to rush and get the limited edition for $39. You can just get the $17 and start making money online. When you start making money from that tactic, then you can upgrade and get the limited edition, so you can make even more money when it comes down to using Charm, guys. So if you like what you see here, and if you are interested in making money online, this is the product for you. Just click any of these green buttons and make sure you get my bonuses, because like I said, it's only 8 days left. So This your girl Key. Thanks for clicking on me. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And hopefully you start making money online with me. See you in my next review video.